Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Oliver Peoples Gregory Peck sunglasses. This one, the model number is going to be the OV for Oliver Peoples, 5217S. The color code we're looking at today is the 1485W4, which is the buff / dark tortoise brown with the brown mirror gold lenses. Alright, so let's take a look inside. So it comes in the Oliver Peoples plastic bag here with the Oliver Peoples logo. Inside you're gonna get the hard case. You're gonna get the Oliver Peoples booklet here. This kind of a pointless booklet. Let me show you in English. It's not like a manufacturer's warranty booklet or anything, or authenticity card. Oliver Peoples don't do that. But it's kind of useless info, like how cleaning and maintenance, how to use your glasses, things like that. And it comes with this pouch case. It is a drawstring case. This will also be your cloth. It is a cloth material, so that will be your cloth as well. And so this is a hard case, nice brown case, with the Oliver Peoples logo on the front. Inside you're going to get, of course, the glasses. Sits nicely in here. And it does have the Oliver Peoples logo on the inside. Very nice case. Most Oliver Peoples will come with this kind of case. Alright. So as I mentioned before, this is the buff color. So it's like a transparent. It's not clear entirely. It's kind of like this light, I guess like a light honey, which complements the gold mirror lenses very well. And like I mentioned, this is a brown, so you're going to be seeing the world in brown, then with a nice gold mirror finish. The lenses are not polarized. So it is on the slightly cheaper end of, all the available colors. This one is $365 retail price. Okay, let me show you the inside a little bit. So it does say Oliver Peoples 5217S, 1485W4, the color code. Gregory Peck, Sun, because there is also a RX version. There is a lot of sizes. There's 3 sizes for the Gregory Peck eyeglasses. There's only one size for the sunglasses. There's only the so it's gonna be the 47mm lens width. It's gonna be 23mm bridge width. It's gonna be 42.8mm lens height and 150mm temple length. With the size, it's going to be like a medium, so it's going to fit most people. If you have a small face, this might be a little bit big, and if you have a big head, there's a chance this might be a little too small. But it's, it's kind of in between medium and large. So it does also feature the Oliver Peoples logo icon on the temple ends here. It's only on the left side, it is not on the right side, just the one side. Let me show you the inside of the other side. It says Oliver Peoples LA with the Oliver Peoples logo, and at the end it's gonna say handcrafted in Italy. With the hinge, it's not spring hinges, so it does not bend out really at all. It is a fixed hinge. It's pretty comfortable. It's quite lightweight. It's going to be a unisex frame, so it can be worn by women and men. I generally see mostly men wear these, because this is part of the from the movie what is it, Kill the Mockingbird. Also Features these metal pieces here. It's going to be silver. Also, I don't know if you can see it, but on the inside of the frame, the metal wiring that goes through the temple, like it's slightly see-through with this dark tortoise brown, and you can see like this Oliver Peoples logo on the inside on the middle piece. I would highly recommend this frame. This has been out for a very, very long time. Very nice frame. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day, guys.